Shami Kabab is a classic South Asian delicacy made with specer. Today we'll prepare authentic Shami Kababs step by step. To prepare Shami Kababs, you will need minced beef, soaked chana dal, onion, ginger, garlic. Add minced beef and soaked chana dal into a water. Cook everything together until the meat becomes tender and the lentils soften completely. Once the mixture is fully cooked and dry, transfer it into a grinder. Blend it until it becomes a smooth and thick paste. Now add finely chopped onion, fresh cilantro, green chilies and a beaten egg to the mixture. Mix everything thoroughly to create a soft kebab dough. Take a small portion of the mixture and gently shape it into round, flat patties. Heat oil in a frying pan and place the kebabs carefully into the hot oil. Fry them until both sides turn golden brown and crispy. Once perfectly golden and crispy, remove the kebabs from the pan and place them on a plate. Serve hot with lemon slices and green chutney. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, Shami Kababs are perfect for snacks, appetizers, or special meals. Enjoy this delicious homemade recipe.